Alright, how's everybody doing today? So, we are back here on the old Crown Vic I've been working on. And today, we're going to work on fixing these. I got some lightweight filler right here. And it's going to help me try and just patch these up, you know. That way I can move on to fixing everything else and getting it painted and getting it out of here. Been here long enough. Just want to see it done and completed. Just figured I'll give you a little quick update before I start it. And then of course I'm going to show y'all after I apply all that and sand it down and you know you got to reapply. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so I started using, you know, the body filler, the hardener, to fix up this side over here. You know, I'm getting there, still gotta go over it. It started to get a little hard already while I was applying it. Put a little bit too much hardener on there, it was my bad. You know, so I put this on there while it was hardening, so that's why, you know, it has some holes in there. I'm gonna go back over it. But, you know, I gotta say, it does look better than what it did before I started. I am taking a little break because I'm starting to get worn out. It is extremely hot where I live. Had to shut the big double doors because around this time, mosquitoes and all the other bugs start to get really bad. But I figured while I'm taking a break, I'm gonna grab a broom and I don't know if you can see in the camera that well, but it is dirty in here. I'm going to clean up the shop, so it ain't that bad. So, I'm also going to have to drop the bumper, because I forgot about this little mess up down here. But I'm going to drop the bumper to get to that. So, that's it for this part. And I'll bring you guys back when I get done, or I would like to record while I'm doing all this stuff to show you guys the process, but like I said, I'm a one-man shop, can't really do that, ain't really got the means to do that. I don't have a tripod, none of that. I just got me and myself and the camera. But I'll bring you guys back off and on, you know, show you guys what I'm doing, you know, as I'm progressing, so just stick with me. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it a night. It's already dark, can't tell. I did get this all patched up, which is good, which is what I was aiming for. I did take the bumper off, it is sitting right there. Gonna have to sand that down too, because I can't paint that like that. But got this all patched up now and ready to go. Don't want to shut the keys in the trunk. Figured I'll give you guys a little update. Getting everything ready. I am going to remove the chrome off of the windows, off the front of the bumper, off the trunk. We are going for a stealth type look for this car. So even off the grill right here, remove that. We're going for a stealth type look, you know, all black with the blacked out windows. Given that this ain't gonna be like a jet black, it's gonna be like the white, you know, it has a shine to it, has the clear coat. It ain't gonna be flat black, but you know, I gotta start somewhere. Still have a little more prep work to do before we even get into the painting. Just figured I'd give you guys a little update. Like I said, I wish I can record while I work, but I can't. That would make the videos longer. Right now I have to do short videos, but I guess as long as I'm getting videos out there, not like anybody watches them. I mean, I do got a couple of views, which is alright. Appreciate that. But I am gonna call it a night. I've been here, what, about 8 hours, I want to say, straight working on this thing. I know that ain't long. Some people work longer, but I've had other stuff to do. I've been working all day, so I'm calling it a day. Fix that door. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.